Hello, I'm Matt with Pro West Roofing. I'm at 1906 East Libra performing a brittleness and repair test. If you see here, this is the marked out area. This shingle number 1 is the shingle we're going to be pulling. So we're going to have to pull number 2 and number 3 as well to get the fasteners out for number 1. These are also held down with staples, so it is getting some pull through when I'm removing the fasteners. As you can see, we pulled these fasteners up front here, and the shingle is still attached, so it's looking like we're gonna have to pull fasteners from up under here as well. So because the shingles are so brittle and it's staples, we're getting a lot of pull through, so there's not much creasing up here. It's just lifting the next row. If you look here, you can see that this is a 36-inch 3-tab shingle. I didn't have any new 36-inch 3-tabs, so our next best option only option at this point is going to be this 39-inch 3-tab that I'm going to have to cut down. So if you notice, this shingle sticks down a little more. Also, the tar strip is a little lower. So we're gonna have to put 2 sets of nails in this. First, I'm gonna nail the top shingle back in here. So in order for this to seat right, we're gonna have to put it here in this tar line. Luckily, this tar line is under this top shingle. And if you notice, when I go to lift this bottom row here, it's pulling up the, I have this fastened now, but it's pulling up these shingles as well. So we got pull through and rip on this shingle right here above it. You can see right here. And that was just from gently lifting this up to get the nail in. So if you'll notice here, we have some
shadow.
Okay. So we have granules falling off from hammering the nails down. And we're also getting creasing on all these shingles here from lifting the shingles up. Rib shingles here. That concludes the repair test.